Hey guys, I'm from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be working on this 2018 Ford F150 driver's side fender removal and installation. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. And also, if you guys need this particular part for your vehicle, the link is up above and also down below. If you guys need any pre-paint auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-paint auto body parts source. Let's go ahead and get started on this vehicle. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and remove this part, but we've got to remove this fender flare to get some of the bolts underneath, I believe. So let's go ahead and get started on this one. All right, so to remove this fender flare right here, you're going to come underneath right there, those two in the front. All right, so go ahead and remove that. All right, those bolts look like this, two of them. All right, so now you go underneath the vehicle, or underneath the fender flare again, and you're gonna see these black things. They're gonna be running across right there underneath the fender flare. So 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be right underneath there. Okay, so there's 4 of those things. All right, so you guys have 2 ways to remove it. If you have this tool, fantastic. It's a panel removal tool. So basically it's 2 flatheads on each side, just like that. Or if you guys have a flathead, you can utilize that too. So let me show you guys how to do it with a flathead. So again, you got to be careful. If you guys are trying to save this, which I'm not, be careful. Use something plasticky, like that's flat like this. And basically all you do is go underneath that tab, push down on it, and you kind of rotate it. Keep rotating. Ah, here we go. Let me go find it. There it is. All right, so it looks like that. See how it's held on? Just like these spiral looking things. And if you guys have one of these, it's really easy because instead of rotating it, it acts as 2 flatheads. So 1 on each side, so it just kind of pries it off. Let's see. The flathead's actually easier, I'm not sure. But this one's supposed to be easier. Oh, there we go. So with this tool, you don't have to rotate it because you get to grip it on each side and then pry it down. So we got one here, one right here, another one right here. There. That's 3. Now 4th one's right here. May have to get a little dirty. All right. So let's see. All right, so that's basically almost off. All right, guys. So when you guys have all those push pins out of the way and the bolts out of the way right here, what's left is that this fender flare is actually held on by these clips, like that. And this one's already broken, but these are the ones that you have to worry about because they're on there tight. So the only way to get them off is that you have to wedge something flat in between the corners right here, so then they could come off. Let me show you guys how I'm going to do that. So the tools I'm going to utilize, it's like these flat plastic panel removal tools. So they're plasticky so they don't scratch up like the fender itself. You have ones with prongs like that, and one straight up flat. So let's take a look at one of them. I'm gonna utilize something flat like this. So, you know, find an object like this, or you could like rip it off. That's one way to do it. All right, so that doesn't work. We need this thing. All right. So as you guys can see, this tool right here works really well because it grips both sides of that clip. Therefore, it pushes it together so then you can pull it out. So you need something like this, you know, or utilize something like this. That was like the middle part right here. There's a bottom one right here too. That one's also a clip. So you just gotta watch out for the bottom ones right here. There you go. So you just work your way around. So these ones right here, the top ones are really easy because you just pry them off. They come off really easy. All right, there we go. All right, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the fender liner on. That's not fender liner. Sorry. So now we're gonna go ahead and put on that flare on. So you guys see these tabs right here? It's gotta line up with the holes, okay? So don't press down until you guys see that it's lined up, because remember, it's hard to take off. All right, that should be secured. Some of the tabs should be good. All right, there we go. Whew. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put on these bolts right here in place. So we'll put them right here. There's two of them on each side. One right there. All right, so now you just go ahead and put these back into place. So just and right there and right there. That one's good, that one's good. That one's good. Last one right here. All right. All right, last but not least is gonna be your emblem. There we go. Alright guys, so that's how you install a 2018 Ford F150. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, and if you guys want us to install any other part, let us know so we can go ahead and do that for you. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, I do want to thank you again for watching our great videos. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, the ones that you guys see in our videos, or anything else, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. We sell bumpers, taillights, headlights, touch-up bottles, everything that you need for your vehicle. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. Also, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification for more great videos like this one. Thank you.